This is a video of a make-at-home cocktail kit. So I got this for free from after buying a ticket to the New York City Wine and Food Festival. It's a pretty cool package. It says cocktail courier, thank you for your purchase, please drink responsibly. Basically gives you everything you need to do to make a cocktail at home, except for the spirits. So there's two recipes. One is burnt orange. So there's this, and there's another recipe. Oh, that's cool. So it's pretty cool because it's like what's in the box. So you have things that you probably don't already have in your pantry, like dehydrated lime, dehydrated orange, and dehydrated lemon. And then this is fun because there's all kinds of, whatever that is, but there's a fresh orange, there's a fresh apple, and I think there's a jar of apple juice. Let's see what else. There's a lime. I think that's it. All right, and then it's got 2 boxes of what appears to be. All right, I'm gonna unbox this off. Also, there's Fever Tree tonic water that apparently is bottled from the United Kingdom. Fever Tree ginger beer, which I don't think is actual alcoholic. Although that would be really funny if it actually was alcoholic, because it's not supposed to. Yeah, I don't think it's alcoholic. Comes with a spiced orange ginger ale and a premium ginger ale. Apple, lime, orange, apple juice, 3 citrus wheels, and then 2 recipe cards with 2 recipes on each side. Everything to make you have everything you need to make the cocktail except for lemon, but you can substitute that with the lime. And yeah, so in case anyone wants the recipes, you can pause on these, and I'll show you the other side. And then one more recipe here. All right, thanks for watching.